Good morning, students. Today we will start our next unit, Basic Geometrical Ideas. In this unit, we will come to know about some new terms. That is, first is point, line, intersecting line, parallel line, collinear points, concurrent lines, line segment, ray, curves, and polygon. So let us start now. First is point. So students, what is a point? A point determines a location. In a plane on a paper, if you draw a dot, then it is called a point. A point does not have any size. It does not have any length, any breadth or any height. It is just simple a dot on a paper. This is point A. Point of pencil, point of a cone, and point of a rectangle. Now next is line. The word line means simple straight line. A line has no end point. It starts from no point and ends at no point. It has no width. It just has a length. A line can be extended in both the directions indefinitely. A line starts from nowhere and ends at nowhere. It moves endlessly in the other directions. Look at the figure. Next is intersecting lines. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Or you can say, if two lines meet each other or cut each other at a point, then they are called intersecting lines. Line L and M. In the given figure, one line L is here, one M is here, and they are meeting at a point P. So L and M are intersecting lines. For example, first example is letter X. In letter X, you can see two lines are crossing each other or cutting each other, crossing roads. Next is parallel lines. Lines which do not meet each other or do not cut each other or do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart. It means they are equidistant. They will never meet each other. For example, railway track. Railway tracks never meet each other. They are the examples of parallel line. Next is collinear points. Three or more points are called collinear points if they all lie on a same line. It means if on one line there are three or more points, then these points are called collinear points. For example, point P, point Q, point R. They are lying on the same line. So P, Q, R are collinear points because they are lying on the same line, that is line L. Next is concurrent lines. Three or more lines are concurrent if they meet each other or intersect each other or pass through a single same point. It means when two lines are meeting each other, they are called intersecting. If three lines L1, L2, L3, they are meeting at P, they are called concurrent lines. Line segment. We all have studied line segment in class 5 also. The part of a line is called line segment. It is a small portion of a line. A line has two end points and a line is a small portion of a line. It can be named by capital alphabets. It is the shortest distance between the 2 points. For example, 2 points A and B are given and line joining these 2 points is called line segment. It has length only. Next is ray. The part of a line, a small part of a line that extends indefinitely in one direction only. Line has one starting point and it moves endlessly in the other direction. So this is called a ray. It has only one end point. For example, can you tell me the examples of ray? Have you ever seen sun rays? Sun rays are starting from sun and ending at, and it is moving endlessly in the other direction. It is not ending anywhere. So one starting point and moving endlessly in the other direction, this is called ray. One more example you can see is torchlight or tube light. Torchlight starts from torch but ends at never. It moves endlessly in the other direction. This is called ray.